Today we are going to start with the topic report writing. Okay, so what is report? As you know that report is actually a description of any kind of function or any kind of event, okay, which is held. And when we are going to describe it completely how it happens, so who is going to describe it? An eyewitness who has seen that function, who has observed that event. The person is going to explain about it. Okay, so this is what actually a report is. It means it includes the description of the sequence of events. Okay, tell that Akshat, come here. So it is what? It is actually the description of the events. Okay, how this happened, who was there, what happened, everything is going to be explained in report writing. You must have done report writing in your previous class also, so you know. And moreover, in report writing, no personal comments are included, nothing personal. What actually happened, name you write down, then only we will come to know that who is writing it. Okay, but the thing is that nothing of, you can say, nothing you can say, the things which did not happen you write down, you just in order to add on. No, what you will write down, where are you looking? Okay, so what you will explain clearly what happened, how happened, who was the chief guest. Okay, it depends what kind of report it is. According to that you have to write down. And you know there are mainly two type of reports. One is newspaper report and another is magazine report. There is not much difference in the format. In the title, there lies the difference. In case of newspaper report, you write down student, staff correspondent, but in magazine report, you write down your simply the name. So let us proceed towards the format. Okay. So first of all, we'll write down what is report. Okay. So what is report? Actually, as I'm writing on the board, report is actually a factual description. Yes. What is report? Yes. What is report? What is report? Write in your notebooks. That report is a factual description or it is an account of events. Write down in this one. Report is a factual description. Factual. Factual means what is reality, what is true, is actually factual description or description of sequence of events. It is actually a complete account. Beta, one description is with the previous line, factual description or description of sequence of events. This is another line. Okay, so it is a complete detailed account of the event. Detailed account of the event. Okay, so what actually it is means what actually the thing is, what happened. It is actually the detailed account of the event. You haven't started writing. Hariom, your name? Okay, right? So you write down in this manner. Okay, so there are two types of reports. What are these two types of reports? One is newspaper report and another is magazine report and another is magazine report. So what are two types of reports? Newspaper report and magazine report. These are the two different kind of reports. Okay, clear now? So next we are going to write down value points. What are the main things to be included in report writing? Okay. So I'm rubbing it down. The first one, I'm rubbing the upper part. Now in case of value points, yes, value points, what we have to include? First include what happened, next where, when, and how it happened. What happened, where, when, and how it happened. Name and nature of event. Name and nature of event. Because this is a mainly event based reports we are going to do. Yes, yes. Right? Nature means what kind of event it was, function or it was a camp, whatever. Okay, what it is. Who was chief guest or guest of honor? Chief guest or who was guest of honor? Then inauguration by. What is the meaning of inauguration? Yes, who started? One and the same thing. With the same thing, who is specially invited? Sometimes chief guest is meant to preside over the function. Guest of honor are the other dignitaries, other special people, VIP persons who are invited on the function. Okay. Inauguration by. Then inauguration means started. Who started it? No. Who started it? For example, when you have any kind of function, suppose in annual function, there is lamp lighting ceremony. Who did this? Whatever, है ना? Whosoever has done. It means why lamp lighting is done? Yes, start of event. It means, Anik, it means that the event is inaugurated. Okay, right? No, write down points only. Yes, officially. Then you will write down details of event or cultural program or cultural program. You will give the details of this cultural program. Then if any prize distribution is there, you will also mention it. Next, speech by chief guest. You will write about speech by chief guest also. Okay. Then finally, vote of thanks. Vote of thanks, right? You will have vote of thanks. Okay. Vote of thanks means thanksgiving speech by the organizer. Okay. Next, afterwards, conclusion or message of the event. 1 minute, beta. Yes. Vote of thanks. This inauguration by. Then you will have vote of thanks, message of the event. Then a brief comment. A brief comment about the function. Then what you will write down? A brief comment about the function. Right? So these are the main points that you are going to include in case of report writing. Okay, these points, they must be included whether it is a magazine report or it is a newspaper report. But the only difference where it lies in that of, you can say, format. Let us proceed towards the format. I'm giving you 1 minute to note down, please. Thanks. Done. Very good. Jagjot, stand up from there. First desk. Come here then. Anik, you can come here. Now, let us proceed towards the format. Message you have written, Priyansh. Now, let us see, when you write down report writing, in the very center of the page, okay, in the very center of the page, there must be, these are the value points. What are the main things to be included? Now, let us start with format. Write down format of report. Format of report. So first of all, the heading or title, in capital letters you will write down, underline it. I'm telling side by side. Okay? Heading or title. What kind of heading or title? It must be catchy and brief. Okay, so what kind of title? Huh? Catchy, attractive. You, yes. Now just tell me, when you read newspaper, what do you do? Headings of the, you read headlines. When the headline is attractive, you feel yes, this news is important, then you read that news. First of all, you read the news of your interest, then you follow the others. This is what this is. It means it must be catchy and attractive in nature. Okay. Next, this is next line. This is called as byline. Attractive. Now this is byline. Okay, this is called as byline. No line. No don't leave line. Then by name. Okay. Here what will be name? For example, by Priyansh. No need, I haven't left. Okay. Then staff correspondent. Staff correspondent. And put it in brackets. For example, you will write down, if in paper, it will be there, write a newspaper report. What you will write down by Kritika, staff correspondent. That's it. You will not write down your class. Staff means you are a staff of, you are working in this newspaper. Suppose you are writing in this news is going to be published in Dainik Bhaskar or the Tribune. It means staff correspondent means you are from Tribune. No, nothing. In this manner. Name and staff correspondent. And please pay attention towards the spellings of correspondent. Okay? Clear now? Huh? Yes, if it will be mentioned in question, you will write down that same name. But if it is not going to be mentioned, then here. Okay? And then on the left hand side, write down date and place. You must have seen in newspaper. Today you will go at home and see. लिखा होता है ना 24 August Jalandhar. What? Very good. Date and place. No, don't leave line, write down date and place. Then start. Where this is your para 1. In para 1, what you will mention? What, where? In introduction, you will not give introduction in the general manner because nothing generalized is written. Whatever is written, what happened, you have to write it down only that. Ashpit, you are not paying attention. Okay, so whatever is right, only that thing you are going to express. You are going to write only that thing. Suppose what, where, when happened, and why. And why. Okay, and why it was organized or why it held, why it was held or organized. Why it was held or why it was organized. Now, yes, capital. Now para 2. So now listen to me. There are different ways of making a new paragraph. Either you leave a line, start from the very left hand side of the paragraph. Line se start. Otherwise, you leave some space, then you start. This is next paragraph. Huh? After? No, start from the mid of the line. जैसे हम करते हैं थोड़ी space छोड़ दी, then we will start. Then para 2. Here in para 2, you will give detail of event. Okay, using catchy, using attractive phrases and vocabulary. Using attractive phrases and vocabulary. Right? So when you will write down the detail, you will use attractive vocabulary. Okay? So this is the reason why newspaper is one of the greatest means of enhancing your vocabulary. You know? Yes. Here, suppose this is heading in the center. Okay? Clear? Now, detail of the event. What you will write down? Event. Chief guest. Yes. Chief guest. Then we will write inaugurated by.
Prize distribution.
Inaugurated by. Then cultural program.
Board of thanks.
Prize distribution and if any. Prize distribution if any. Then
The board of thanks.
speech by chief guest. Then you will write down about vote of thanks. Right? ended with national anthem, ended
Started with the prayer.
or ended with national anthem.
Thanks to chief guest.
Yes, so that is included in vote of thanks. That is going to be included in vote of thanks. And para 3, just one line, brief comments about the program. Then you will write down brief comments about the speech by chief guest, vote of thanks, ended with national anthem. And in para 3, you will write down brief comment about the program. Clear now? If any, if held. Suppose there is a blood donation camp. So their prize distribution will be there? No. Yes, yes. It means that where it is there, you have to use there only. Clear now? Yes, you can write about certificates. Very good. Now, Karan, pay attention. Now, write down the question, please. It is there. First of all, write down question because the period is going to be over and I have to discuss one report so that you can write at home. Write down the question. I'm not going to rub the format because on the basis of it, we will formulate each and every line. So as there is no space, I'm going to. This is third only. That's it. Clear now? Now let us start. Okay. Write a report. Write a newspaper report. Inaugurated by. Inaugurated by. Now, first of all, on the next page where you are going to write down the question, give the heading in bold hand or capital letters, newspaper report. Bada bada karke likh lo. Okay, so that you will clearly come to know when you will revise that what is a newspaper report. On the next page, no, tomorrow we will do one magazine report. Show me Pragati. Write down at the top. This is rough. Okay. See here, in this manner, at the top, write down newspaper report. Okay, in this manner, it must be written. Clear? Newspaper report. Now write down the question. Write a newspaper report for. Write a newspaper report for annual prize distribution function. This is the simplest one. First of all, we will do. For annual prize distribution function, a function held in your school. Prize distribution function held in your school. Clear? Right? So it can be for any competition held. You must have read. You please go and see any newspaper at your home. You will find in that one day, especially there when these kind of reports are published in newspaper. Okay. Now, one minute. You will wait a minute because important is going to be discussed. You will take a cutting of any newspaper, okay, newspaper report, and you will paste on in your notebooks also. It must be pasted. Any report of any event, anything, okay, take out of English and paste it in your notebook so that you will have a complete idea. Okay, so now because it is price distribution function. Nav, Karan and Anik. Anik, you come here, please. Come with Somil. Come with Somil, I said. Now, Guntas, because it is a price distribution function, so what will be the heading to be given? Annual price distribution function held in SSDPS. Annual price distribution, what will be? Here, heading and title. Annual price distribution function held in SSDPS. You know SSDPS, it will be in capital. Okay. Now, if in heading you are writing in SSDPS, okay, you turn your face. Okay, but here when you will write down the detail, you will write down the complete name of the school, because nobody will come to know what is SSDPS. Okay, so now byline by your name, comma, staff correspondent. Saksham, pay attention. By your name and then staff correspondent. Then there write down date, when the function held, and place. Then para 1. In para 1, we are going to write what, where, when, what happened, when, why. Annual price distribution function was held in Swami Sandas Public School. Okay, why it was held? In order to felicitate the students in various categories. Felicitate means in order to give away prizes. No, Jalandhar, name of city. Okay, it was held in order to felicitate the students in various categories like sports, academics, and curricular areas. Right? Only this much. What, where, when happened, and why. Why this function was organized. Now, let us start with detail of event. We will include all these points. The event was organized with great, or the event was held with great pomp and show. Okay, pomp and show. No, it was not going to be organized by the house. Okay, I said na, you will use attractive vocabulary with great pomp and show. Okay, Dash was the chief guest. Education Minister, okay, of Punjab was the chief guest of the day. The function was presided over. Okay, presided. Who was the who presided? By Swami Shantanandji, Mahamandleshwar Swami Shantanandji. The event was inaugurated by lamp lighting. How it started? It was inaugurated by lamp lighting. Lamp lighting was held. How it was organized? It was organized by lamp lighting, and the chief guest and other dignitaries were presented a floral welcome. Floral welcome. You will not, or presented bouquets, you can also write down. But what is the exact word? That is floral welcome was given to them. Okay, then afterwards, a string of cultural events. What means various cultural events were also presented. What you will write on? A string of. Okay, a string of cultural events were presented, including choreography. Okay,
Cultural dance.
Okay, dance from various states. Okay, one act plays. Okay, short skits were presented depicting various themes. Okay, what it was depicting. Okay, and the hallmark of the day. Hallmark means Bhangra is most attractive item. The hallmark of the day was Bhangra, folk dance, Bhangra, was the hallmark of the day and the most attractive event. It was very well appreciated by the audience, means audience appreciated it well. Then afterwards, the chief guest distributed the prizes to various students in different categories such as academics, curricular,
competition.
and in sports. After prize distribution, what? The chief guest also delivered a speech. You will not write down. The chief guest gave a speech. You will write down. The chief guest delivered a speech. What message was given? Speech में वो भी आपने लिखना है. The chief guest delivered the speech, giving out the message. One should always work hard in order to achieve success, and inspired the students, motivated the students. Now, the vote of thanks was presented by the principal, Mrs. Kamaljeet Kaur. Okay, and the function ended with national anthem. The function ended with national anthem. वाह बाद में. Okay, it ended. When it ends, curtain closes. Okay, then para 2 complete. Now next afterwards we will write down para 3. Para 3 brief comment. The function was well organized and enjoyed by the audience, leaving a deep impact.